Good morning dear students, I am Veena, your English teacher. Today we are going to study about parts of speech. I am sure that in 3rd standard you have already studied about parts of speech. Anyway, in this class we are just revising it once more. Before we begin, let me ask, what do you mean by parts of speech? Yes, in any language we use words to speak and write. In English, such kinds of words are called parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English. They are noun, pronoun, adjectives, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So dear students, there are 8 parts of speech and first one is noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal, etc. So for example, Meera is reading a book. Here, Meera is the noun because it's a name. So dear students, noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal, etc. Moving on to the next one, pronoun. Pronouns are the words that we use in the place of a noun, or pronouns are the words that we use instead of noun. Say for example, Meera is reading a book. Is there any pronoun? No. There is noun, Meera. So, if I add another sentence to that sentence, Meera is reading a book. She is reading an interesting story. Here, she is the pronoun. So, dear students, pronouns are the words that we use in the place of a noun. I use she instead of Meera in the second sentence. Okay, so I, we, you, they, he, she, it, these all are pronouns. Okay students, moving on to the next one, adjectives. Adjectives are the words that we use to describe noun or pronoun. Meera is a good girl. Here you know that Meera is a noun. Here I use the word good to describe Meera. So, good is the adjective here. Meera is a good girl. Good is the adjective in this sentence. So, adjectives are words that we use to describe noun or pronoun. Moving on to the next one, verbs. Verbs are doing words or action words. For example, jumping, writing, reading, listening. These all are verbs. If I say Meera is reading a book, in this sentence, reading is the verb. What is Meera doing? Meera is reading a book. Here, reading is the verb. So, moving on to the next one, adverb. Adverbs are words we use to describe verbs. Meera is reading a book. There is no adverb in that sentence. If I just add, Meera is reading a book loudly. Loudly is the adverb there. Grandpa walks slowly. Here, slowly is the adverb. How does Grandpa walk? Grandpa walks slowly. So, slowly, quickly, happily, these all are adverbs. So, dear students, moving on to the next one, preposition. Prepositions are the words that we use to place before a noun or pronoun. Simply, we can say that preposition shows position of a noun or pronoun. The cat is under the table. The mouse is on the table. The pencil is on the table. Meera is under the tree. Here, in, on, under, these all are prepositions. So, dear children, prepositions are the words that we place before a noun or pronoun, or prepositions shows the position of a noun or pronoun. Moving on to the next one, conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words that we use to join 2 words or 2 sentences. Okay students, I told you conjunctions are the words that we use to join 2 words or 2 sentences. So for example, I like mango, I like banana. These are 2 sentences. I just joined these 2 sentences using the word and. I like mango and banana. So, and is the conjunction I use here. So dear students, conjunctions are the words that we use to join 2 words or 2 sentences. Moving on to the last one, interjection. Interjections are the words we use to show our sudden feelings or emotions. We use to show our sudden feelings or emotion. So dear students, there are 8 parts of speech in English and they are noun, pronoun, adjectives, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Okay students, In the coming section, we will study purchase speech in detail. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.